Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show the hospital receipt screen. Receipts are issued for payments received by the practice, which may originate from either the patient or their medical aid. In this video, we will start on the case management screen. Click on the patient for whom you would like to create a receipt for. The case management sidebar will open. For more information regarding the case management sidebar, please refer to the case management screen sidebar, navigation and use user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the receipt button. The capture receipt screen will open. Click on the select an invoice drop-down menu to select the invoice you wish to allocate the receipt to. After selecting the invoice, click on the show invoice button. Also, you may click on the show all invoice button to display all the invoices made for the patient. Click on the show settled invoices button to display all invoices adjusted to 0. You may also amount within the editable patient amount and medical aid amount fields if needed. The information entered in the receipt information section is crucial for properly allocating payments. In this section, you may input the payment type, specify the cash ledger for allocation, enter the received amount, and record reference numbers, among other details. We will now take a look at each of the fields displayed and complete them accordingly. Click on a date field to open the date picker and select the applicable date. Click on the cash ledger drop-down menu and select the applicable cash ledger from the list. Click on the payment drop-down menu to select the type of payment that was received. To add additional information regarding the receipt or the payment, click on the comments field and complete with the relevant information. Complete the reference number field with the relevant reference number. Click on the total field to enter the amount that the patient has paid. The unallocated field refers to the amount that has not been allocated to the patient or the medical aid. Once the allocation is complete, the amount will change to 0. This field's information cannot be edited as the system performs calculations automatically. Click on the Allocate to Patient Amount button to auto-allocate the total amount to the patient. Please note that you will only be able to use this function if there is a surplus of patient funds. Click on Allocate to Medical Aid Amount button to auto-allocate the total amount to the medical aid. Please note that you will be able to use this function if the medical aid made payment through an ERA or direct payment. Click on a Clear Amounts button to clear all allocated amounts, which will enable you to reallocate amounts. Click on the Shift to Medical Aid button to move the outstanding amount from the patient to medical aid. Also, click on the Shift to Patient button to shift the outstanding amount from the medical aid to the patient. Once you are satisfied with the receipt, click on the Post button. Alternatively, you can click on the Post drop-down menu and select the Post and Print option to both post the receipt and print it simultaneously.